Handsome boy in the world, eh?
Taking after the female side of the family, obviously.
Did you say everybody's coming?
Yeah. All the wives, all the kids, all en route.
Why? Insurance, compare insurance at confused.com. Saving money at confused.com. We'll compare your price. You could get a good deal. You could choose any brand. Confused.com.
Young lady is one of the biggest no deals ever. In live play, no one has ever kept the two biggest boxes till the final climax.
Than nothing. What? Anything!
Back into the chamber turning, all my soul within me burning. Soon again I heard a tapping, something louder than before.
Surely,
Said I,
surely that is something at my window lattice. Let me see then what thereat is and this mystery explore.
open here I flung the shutter, when with many a flirt and flutter, in there stepped a stately raven of the saintly days of yore. Not the least obeisance made he, not a minute stopped or stayed he, but with mien of lord or lady.
Patrick!
Reporting for duty!
Yeah, follow me.
Up, and away!
Evil!
Now, we want you boys to keep an eye on the place. Water the plants and make sure
Oh my gosh, Patrick! This is the greatest wall of superhero secret gadgetry ever! I'm gonna play with the cosmic ray!
I get the Aqua Glove! Hold on there, boys!